What is that sound? It's like a huge whale. Welcome back to my channel. I am finally doing another vlog. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've done a vlog. I took a break. But today I am in Tampa, and I think it's been maybe a year since I was last in Tampa. It's only 3 hours away, I think 3 hours away from Jacksonville. I'm so happy to be here. I'm gonna check out some new things. I think it's new. I am out here at the Sparkman Wharf, which is an outdoor dining and beer garden. They have some dining spots that are in shipping containers. Now you don't dine in there. They're like food trucks, not on wheels. It's really cool. So I'm gonna walk around, show you what they have. I also got a rum runner. It is so hot out here now. It's like, I don't know, it's probably 100 degrees. It's humid. So I have to drink this quick. There's ice in it. It's going to melt quick. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you want to see more content like this, I am hoping to get out and travel more and do more foodie stuff. It is hot outside, and I think a frozen s'mores sounds really good at the HAMPTON chocolate factory. So I stopped by Cacciatore and Sons to pick up the deviled crabs. There's a deviled crab, so they look like crab cakes, but I think they're better than crab cakes. Wow. It is full of crab. It is so full of crab. That's amazing. They also gave us some hot sauce, but I brought my own hot sauce. So on the way here, I stopped by Buc-ee's in Daytona. Got my favorite hot sauce, the Carolina Reaper, which is really spicy. So I am going to try it without the hot sauce and then with the hot sauce. Oh my gosh. That is so good. It's very crabby in a good way. It's really creamy. It's not spicy. So, here's my favorite hot sauce. You might hear the thunder, so I gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. when we were leaving the mall, I saw a place called Pokefish, and I've been craving a really good poke bowl since Hawaii, and there's nothing out here that can compare to what I had in Hawaii. So I don't have high hopes, I'll be honest, but it did have good reviews on Google. So let's go check it out. So I'm at Hyde Park Village, and it started raining when we got to the parking garage, and we couldn't find parking like inside a garage, so we're at the very top, and I see a double rainbow. I was here earlier today, but it was just absolutely too hot. It was like in the high 90s, and I had a drink in my hand. I couldn't handle it. I felt like I was gonna pass out, so I was like, okay, let's go be in AC. Went to the mall and some other places. I wanted to come back because I knew it was gonna be absolutely cute out here at night, and it is. And there's live music, so I hope you can hear me. So let's take a look-see around here and see what the nightlife is like. It's a lot more lively now than it was earlier, and I was here around 1:32 p.m.-ish earlier today, and yeah, it was really hot. I'm going to switch cameras right now because I don't think my DJI Pocket is water resistant because it is raining, it's lightning, so I also have to try and be safe as well because we are in the lightning capital. Okay, I need a drink, and I'm gonna find some food here. We're leaving Sparkman Wharf and heading to a place across the street called Arts and Rec or something like that. Never been there. Gonna check it out. It looks pretty
That's
cool.
That's what I told her. I'm like, just stay up 30 minutes so we can watch the movie. At least let us get to the plot. 5 minutes.
Bless me.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
It's been a great Saturday. I started the day by going to, I don't remember where, but I remembered that I ended the night at, I think I ended the night, but wait, I haven't ended the night yet. So I kind of ended the night with Park and Rec, I believe it's called. Oh yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I should do more vlogs. Oh, I forgot to mention, so the Park and Rec place, there are no cover charges for ladies. It's free. Guys, it's $5. When I walked in, like before I walked in, I guess, when I almost walked in, when I was like midway walking in, a girl offered me a shot that she made herself for like $5. So I started with a shot, then I started with a party pouch. No, what did I say? I started with a party pouch, and then, no, I started with a shot. And then I got a party pouch, and I got a drink called Candy Girl or something. I think it was supposed to come with one of those candy green pops, but they didn't give me one, but that's okay. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I will catch you in the next one, and hopefully the next one is not too long from now. Okay, see you. Love you, Tampa. Okay, Jax, I guess I'll come home to you.